Little black dots are eyes.
That's crazy.
But aren't his little claws cute?
Oh my god, I love
And he has like this little weird mouth thing.
Yeah.
Also...
But no, I mean, if you want to send me this video, I would love to.
Yeah, I'll send it.
This makes me so happy.
This is my fingerprint.
What?
So like this is one fingerprint ridge, right?
That's crazy.
So if you look at your finger, like this is a ridge and this is another ridge.
Oh my god, that's so tiny.
Yeah, so you'll see like this flagellate, he's kind of chilling, but they'll just like swim across your fingerprint, and it's like they really book, but right now they're stuck.
Yeah.
So they're not doing much, but
that's crazy.
Yeah, we can. Oh, here comes one.
Oh my god, whoa, that
So
one's
he's like
zooming.
swimming across my fingerprint.
Wow.
But yeah. So like this is like the scale that we are.
God.
I just
so
took
cool.
an ink pad. Wait, let's look over here. There's more stuff over here.
So cool.
Yeah, I guess that's okay. Like microplastics.
Oh.
A lot of microplastics. Like plant stuff. All these little flagellates.
They're so small and crazy tiny. Oh my god, it's so wild. Like, life is crazy.
It is. But all, like this is a divide in my fingerprint ridge.
Yeah.
You know?
Wow.
But anyway. Yeah, and then so I'll do like a little time lapse of the flagellate.
So friggin' cool.
Yeah, not many tardigrades, but there's some. I actually did buy the tardigrade because you can order them.
I'll allow it. That's fine. I'm just happy
Otherwise,
to
you
see
can
them.
find them in moss. There he is, still stuck.
So cute.
Still stuck.
Same, bro. Like, I feel you. I feel that spiritually.
They
Like,
get
why
stuck
is
a lot. They really do.
Honestly, mood. I love him. Or her. I don't know. Are they hermaphrodites or are they gendered? Like, we don't know.
I should know that, but I don't.
Just vibing. I'm trying to go somewhere. Nowhere fast.
Sometimes they do, and then they can really book across the side. But they do get stuck like a lot.
Maybe he's just doing Zumba. I don't know.
Maybe.
Maybe. He's like, this is my workout for today.
But they're like crowd pleasers, you know.
They're so cute. I know.
They're adorable.
What incredible little creatures. I mean, they can just survive anything. Like,
except climate change.
Really?
If you raise the temperature like 5 degrees, they die.
Please.
So they can survive the moon desiccated, but if they're living like this and it gets too hot, they will die. So
mood. Guys, I think I'm a tardigrade. Like, I think I am. I think I'm, I feel spiritually stuck on this twig. And it's too hot for me to survive. So, maybe I'm a tardigrade.
Yeah.
I love that. Oh my god.
It's a microplastic he's stuck on.
Oh, that's terrible. No. No.
Kind of looks like cotton, but I'm not sure.
Oh my god.
Or viscose.
What have we done to the earth? What is this one? That's gonna be...
That's an algae.
Oh.
Yeah, that'll be kind of cool. If you see that on it.
Long. It looks like a hair, almost.
Wow. Yeah, it's a little hard to do, but yeah. A lot of filamentous algae.
Yeah. That's so cool.
Yeah. Anyway. There's like skin cells.
Ooh, creepy. I mean, I guess it'd be that way, but still.
Yeah, and my moss started growing my culture started growing a fungus.
Oh, wow.
It's like a white fungus.
Interesting. I found some cheese in my fridge last night that I had clearly forgotten about for way too long, and it was growing something, and I did wonder what it was. But
yeah, you